Yeah, hello. Today I have here the unboxing video of the JBL TUNE120 TWS truly wireless in-ear headphones here. Comfort fit, hands-free calling, pure bass, zero cables. And these headphones here last for 16 hours, up to 16 hours. And they support Siri and Google Assist. And then also here, let's look at the features here on the bottom. You see here 20 hertz all the way up to 20 kilohertz, and it comes with a 5.8 millimeter driver, which is huge here for these little headphones here, these earbuds. And so it comes with JBL pure bass sound. It has the comfort fit, and also it supports hands-free stereo calls. And then here 15 minutes of charging brings you 1 hour of listening time, and the 4 hours listening time come with the earpieces themselves. And then the charging cradle also gives you another 12 hours of battery life here. So now let's open this thing up here. Let's have a look inside. And so what do we got here? So first we have here the charging cable. This is the standard USB to micro USB charging cable that comes here with most of JBL's headphones. So this is very common. And then next we have here a couple of different ear tips. So these headphones come with 3 different sizes. So we have here the small and the large, and then pre-installed is the medium size. So we have here 3 pairs total. Okay, then next here, this big black thing here, this is the charging cradle. So this comes with its own battery, and this is going to charge then the earpieces themselves. You see here when you open this up, you have these little indents here. This is where the left and the right earpiece go into, and that's where you can store them and transport them, and also this is where they are being charged. And here maybe you can see here these little 3 dots. This is going to indicate the charging state of the internal battery of this charging cradle. And then the lid here, this is magnetic so that it doesn't accidentally open up by itself. And then here on the bottom we have here this little flap here. When we open this up, that's where we find here this micro USB charging port. This is where we charge the internal battery of this charging cradle. Then here we have the Quickstart guide. Shows you really quickly how everything works. Mostly just pictures, not much writing here. So not much text. So you have to figure a lot of things out here how it works by just looking at the pictures here. So I'm going to scroll through here really quickly. If you want to take a closer look, then maybe pause the video here for a second, and then you can look at it in detail. And so now let's keep going, because next we have here the earbuds. So they are truly wireless. There's not a single wire connected to them. You see here the medium-sized ear tips installed, pre-installed. Then here you see here these 3 little holes here with these metal behind it. Those are the charging connectors. And then here we have a small LED on the side. Not sure if you can see that. And here where it says JBL, that is actually a push button. And then here we have the other side here. This is the right side now. Looks pretty similar. So, and then here on the bottom you can see it actually says R on the right side for the right side, and L for the left side, just so you know exactly which earbud goes into which ear, so you don't accidentally put them in backwards. And yeah, so both of the earbuds have a small button. That's where it says JBL, and then the small LED to indicate all kinds of stuff. Yeah, so this is how you then detach the ear tips if you want to replace them with a bigger one or a smaller one. And then if you want to install it, you just push it back on and it will automatically here stay in place if you just push it in deep enough. Yeah, and so this is the unboxing video of the JBL TUNE120TWS. If you have any questions or comments, leave a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.